Hi, I'm Kelly Colino, a realtor with William Ravis Real Estate. Buying a home can be stressful, but if you approach it with a little background information, it can make the buying process a lot more enjoyable. Here are 4 things real estate agents wish you knew about buying a home. Number 1, know what you can afford before you start looking. For some, money isn't an issue, but for most of us, it is. One easy way to figure out your budget is to ask your lender to check your finances and give you a mortgage pre-approval letter. Number 2, find a real estate agent that suits you. Remember, your agent is your advocate, so make sure you have a buyer's agent who understands what you want and knows the area you're interested in. The listing agent may only be looking out for their seller. Number 3, you don't have to see every house in a 100-mile radius. Trust me, you don't have to look at hundreds of properties to find the right one. Be open with your agent about what you're looking for, and they'll show you houses that fit your needs. Sometimes just a few will do. Number 4, don't let the commitment give you cold feet. Sure, buying a house can be scary and your mind might race with all sorts of worst-case scenarios, but don't let your mind get in the way of making an important move or you could miss out on your dream house. Now that you know these 4 things about buying a home, you're better equipped to get out and hit the market.